Success is not random. It follows patterns. When you ignore the patterns, you fail. When you read them, you win. Today, we explored the logic of success.
Every outcome has a cause. Effort, timing, skill, and luck all feed into results. Most people see only the final result and copy the surface. They miss the hidden pattern underneath.
Consider two founders. One studies why past startups won. The other just copies what looks cool today. The first builds on proven patterns. The second bets on surface trends. Patterns repeat because human behavior repeats. Customers want value. Teams need trust. Markets reward focus. These signals show up again and again across every industry. Ignoring patterns feels bold, but it is expensive. You repeat mistakes others already solved. You waste time, money, and energy rediscovering basic lessons that were written down long ago. Reading patterns is a skill. You collect data, you compare cases, you look for what repeats. Then you name the rule. That rule becomes your shortcut to smarter decisions.
Look at fitness. People who lose weight, eat less, and move more. The pattern is simple. Yet many chase magic pills. They ignore the rule and blame the result.
Look at business. Companies that listen to customers win. Companies that ignore feedback lose. This pattern is 100 years old. It still surprises founders every single quarter. Patterns also warn you. If a project keeps missing deadlines, that is a signal. If customers keep asking the same question, that is a signal. Small repeats point to big truths. The trap is ego. You think your situation is special. You think old rules do not apply to you. But patterns do not care about ego. They keep repeating whether you believe or not. So the fix is humble study. Read history. Ask veterans. Track your own results. Write down what worked and what failed. Your notebook becomes a map of hidden rules. Success is not luck. It is pattern literacy. Spot the signal, name the rule, act on it. When you honor patterns, you fail less and win more. That is the logic of success.